Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Dodge Journey GT. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in pitch black. It looks great. You do also have that chrome accenting up front with the Dodge badging, and you do have halogen quad headlights right there with your fog lights hanging out just down there. And coming around the side here, we do have our 17-inch rims with Komu brand tires. They look great. The tires look nice, and those rims look fantastic. You do have heated exterior mirrors right up here, and coming all the way around to the back, you do got that GT badging, the Dodge, the Journey all-wheel drive, as well as your park sensors down there. You do also have your backup camera hanging out under there. Now we can lift it up just right here. Now back here it looks fantastic. Tons of room for storage as well. You can lift this up. You got even more room underneath there, and you do got this cover here to keep your stuff safe so no one can see what you are hauling around if you were worried. Now we can close it up, and you got this little handle here. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 presses to unlock all the doors, 1 press to lock them. You got your button there for your remote start. Start it up, get it all nice and warm for you in the winter. You don't have to go outside in your pajamas. It's pretty awesome. Now, if it is locked, it does have proximity keyless entry, so you just gotta put your hand in there. As long as the keys are on your person, it will open up for you. Okay, in here we do have that chrome accenting on the handle. You have electronic mirrors, windows, and locks all right there. Handle here and leather to put your arms on. You have some storage just down there as well. The interior looks fantastic. It is leather as well. Very soft, very comfortable. You do have the controls over your lights here, so your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your fog lights if you press them in cabin light control there. Then right over here we do have the controls over our turning signals, our high beams, and our windshield wipers. As well as down here we do have the controls over backward and forward, as well as the lumbar support right there. Okay, so put your foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have how many kilometers we have, which is only 1,900 kilometers. That's pretty much nothing. Now you also have the gear we're in, the temperature outside, and the way we're facing. We can switch that around though. We can see what channel we're on. We got our fuel economy, trip info, tire KPA, vehicle info, messages, and you can turn the menu off if it was bright or distracting for you. Now you have that all controlled from here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there. Around the back of the steering wheel, you got a volume up and down button right there, and a channel changer on the other side. Now in the center, we do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display, so you got your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM here. You got your media player here if you have one hooked up through your aux cord, Bluetooth, USB or SD card slot. You also have your controls over your heated seats, your heated steering wheel, outlets, all that stuff. Dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You got your navigation here, so if you hit your view map, you can see we are in the right place. You got your phone options here, as well as your settings. Now down here we do have our hazard lights, AC, circulation, front and rear defrost, and our traction control, volume up and down with the power. That is the climate control there. You got your power, off, auto, then your browser here with a CD player and a memory or SD card slot. When you are in reverse, you do have that ever useful backup camera keeping you nice and safe. Down here we do have some storage, as well as an aux cord and a USB plug-in. Got some more cup holders right here. You got your gear shift there. You can also lift this up, and you got some storage just in there as well. You can remove that if you did want. Then over here we got our locking glove box. Looks great in there, lots of room. And up top we got the controls over our sunroof, and we also have this guy, which is our sunglass holder. Right up top here we do have our sunroof and our universal garage door opener right there. Okay, let's open this guy up here. On the door we have that same chrome accenting. We have the controls over our windows, a handle here, and some storage just down here. Looks great back here as well. Very spacious. It does fit 5 people all together. You can fold this down. You got an armrest and some cup holders. As well, you do have a plug-in just down there if you want to charge your phone or something. And then you can fold your seats forward just like that, and you got additional storage. You can do the same with the other side. Well, that does it for my walk-around video, the 2017 Dodge Journey GT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself and take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.